Okay guys, here we come. Okay, so for the purpose of this session, what we're going to be focusing on is some of the house skills that we need as a referee. So can anyone remind me what some of those, or what one key house skill that we need as a referee is?
Communication.
Yeah, absolutely, brilliant, thanks John. Communication. So as a referee, it's really important that we communicate with players if we're to enable a safe game to take place and let the game flow. So building on from communication, how do we think we best communicate with the players? What are the three main ways that we can achieve that? Voice, yeah. What? So explain to me a little bit more about how we can use our voice.
Just tell players not to do something if you think they're going to commit an offence.
Yeah, so we can use our voice to try to prevent offences. So it needs to be loud enough so the players can hear you, clear enough so they can understand you, but not too loud or too shouty. Excellent. So that's the voice. What about what are some of the other ways that we can communicate with? Whistle, yep. What type of whistle do we think we have? What are the options available to us when we're blowing our whistle?
Again, just varying the tone of the whistle. Sometimes it might be a blast for safety.
Yeah, so if it's a safety issue or you really need to stop the game, how might you blow it?
Loud, clear.
Very loud, very clear, yeah. What about minor offences, say a knock-on or a forward pass? Would that be different to a loud blast for safety?
Just a peep.
Yeah, so it's a smaller peep for the minor offences, a louder blast for safety or some of the major offences. So I'd like a volunteer then to have a go at refereeing.
Yeah, I'll have a go.
Excellent, thanks Alan. So just for the purpose of this exercise folks, we're just going to play a very basic game of rugby netball and Alan is going to be our referee and we're going to be looking at those three things that make up how we communicate with players on the pitch. So we're going to have 5v5s, bibs against non-bibs, and you need to score over the blue line. So when you're ready Alan?
Thank you. Okay Dave, we'll just bring the ball up to the middle. We'll have a little contest for possession. We'll have Dave and we'll have Dusty. Can you come and contest for possession? Let's go paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3, shout.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Dave's going to start. And play, can't move with the ball, remember. Ball down. Bring it, hold on, Dusty, wait, just bring it to the sideline. Free throw to Dusty's team. Off you go. Off the field, Phil, off the field. Ball back to the Blues. Ball back to Blues. Give him a little bit of space. Remember, 3 seconds with the ball, Luke. Play on, play on.
Yes, Luke. Yes, Luke. Come back in.
3 seconds, remember, John. Ball's knocked back. Play on, Reds.
Hannah. Yeah, Clive.
Play it on. Okay, the ball's gone out. Red ball from the sideline. Red ball, Darren, you will have to touch it. Red ball. Just wait, Hannah, wait. Okay, let's change the rules slightly. No passes above head height. Ball can't go above head height. Okay, and play. Great pass. Great pass. Try there. Okay, let's bring it back. Hand over. Non-bibs ball to start. Non-bibs, just play from where you are. Off you go. Okay, ball's gone above head height. Let's bring it back here. Red ball from right here. And wait.
From here, son.
From there, off you go. Try there. Hand it over. Non-bibs ball.
Okay, thanks very much guys. If you just want to come in. So can you remember some of the examples, some of the things that you were saying to the players that enabled the game to flow?
Play on, so if the ball hit the ground, so play on rather than blew the whistle.
Yeah, excellent.
Told the side who'd got the ball, when to start.
Yeah. So just picking up on the play on then. So Remy's calling play on, so he's verbalising it, which is excellent. How could he take that to the next level, make that even better with one of the other methods of communicating with players? What else could he do?
Indicate by signalling which side he's on.
Yeah, so what might he could perhaps go play on, so that enables people that aren't perhaps that close to the action to be able to see that he's adjudicating to play on as well.
People on the sideline can see that.
Absolutely as well. Just a couple of other things as well then. What do we think about we talked about communication and his verbals. He's quite clear and use preventative language to sort of enable the game to flow. What about the whistle? Because that was something else we were looking at. What do we think about how Remy used his whistle?
Yeah, good. If a try was scored, it was nice and loud. If you wanted us to stop for any reason, it wasn't quite as loud, so you understood how he's communicating with us.
Can you just talk me through your process for when you're awarding a try, Alan?
Yeah, I just blew the whistle, said try, and then told the other team to play on. I didn't put my hand up in the air. I forgot that.
Absolutely, yeah. So I was just trying to remember as well, when you take this into this afternoon session, you have another go, blow the whistle, and then we talked about that primary signal to use that to indicate a try. And what about when the ball goes out of play? What do we want the players to do ultimately when the ball goes out of play?
Get the ball back into play as quick as you can.
Yeah, but what we want the players to do immediately when the ball goes dead? What do we want them to do? Stop, absolutely. How do we communicate with them to stop? Okay, so can you remember when the ball went out of play? Did you blow the whistle?
No, I just said blue ball, or I think I said stop or hand over or something.
Excellent. So that might be a thing to think on as well, because if we blow the whistle, we want the players to do ultimately
Stop.
to stop. Absolutely. So yeah, so the key things there, when you take it into your next session, will be to use
My signals more.
Yep.
So for a try, hand up in the air, and to blow the whistle when I want play to stop.
absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.